Now let's move on to question number 4. So in this question we have rating, meal price, wait time, and the location of some nearby restaurant, and we want to actually do a pivot table with region or neighborhood in rows and quality rating in column, and then we just need to maybe change the values in order to be able to answer the 3 questions. So let me actually go ahead and insert a pivot table here. So for pivot table, you just need to click on one of the cells on your table, insert pivot table. So the whole table will be here, A1 to E301, so it should be good. And then you just need to put it in the same sheet, so you click on existing worksheet, location, I'm gonna put it here on G2. And that's it. Press OK. So get rid of this one. So it actually asks for region as rows and then quality rating as column, right? So the table is almost ready. I just need to know what to put on my values window here. So I go back to my question. So in the first question it asks which region has the smallest number of restaurants in total. So I need to find the number of restaurants in each region basically. So my values would be the count of restaurants, right? So I put restaurants here, and instead of sum of restaurant, it can be any variable here as long as we don't have any missing data in the column, so it should be good. So restaurant is good here, but I just need to count the number of restaurants within each group. So I change the sum function to count. Okay, and now I have the count of restaurant. Each number actually shows that. For example, this 17 says that there are 17 excellent restaurants in region 1. 27 excellent restaurants in region 3. But what about these numbers? They said in total in region 1, region 2 and 3 collectively there are 66 excellent restaurants, 84 good restaurants, and 150 very good restaurants. What about these numbers? It says 79 restaurants including excellent, good and very good restaurants in region 1. So 79 in region 1, 114 restaurants regardless of their quality ratings are in region 2, and we have a total of 107 restaurants in region 3. So now, what was the question again? The question, which region has the smallest number of restaurants in total? Smallest number of restaurants. So I go back here, smallest number of restaurants. Which one is it? Smallest number of restaurants for a region. So region 1 has in total 79, region 2 114, region 3 107. So region 1 with 79 restaurants would have the smallest number of restaurants, right? So question would be region with smallest. The answer to this would be region 1 with 79. So next question, which region has the largest number of excellent restaurants? Region with the largest number of excellent restaurants. So excellent restaurant. So we have 17 excellent restaurant in region 1, 22 excellent restaurant in region 2, 27 excellent restaurant in region 3. So largest number of excellent restaurants are there in region 3 with 27 excellent restaurants. What about the last one? The last one asks for which region quality group has the smallest average waiting time. So smallest, so group with smallest average waiting time. So we cannot answer these questions with just count of restaurants, right? So we have to update our values. So instead of count of restaurant, I'm gonna put it back here. So we need to calculate average waiting time. So I put wait time here into my values, and instead of sum, I need to calculate average. So if I click here or right click here, value field settings, and change the function from sum to average, and then press OK. You see, and I'm gonna just to have a better display of this table, I'm just gonna format it again. I go back to this and I click here number format, and I change the format to number with 2 decimals, 2 number of decimals. And if I press OK, it should be now a nicer graph. So which group of region and quality rating has the smallest number? The smallest number within this table would be 2. So 2 would be the smallest. So the region would be, so it would be region 2 / good with 2 minutes waiting time. So if you want to wait only 2 minutes, you need to go to good restaurant in region 2, and that actually answers question number 4 of review set.